Hello, today I'm going to talk to you about a very interesting topic: how to quickly delete raw data in Excel using VBA. VBA, which stands for Visual Basic for Application, is a programming language developed by Microsoft. Excel, along with other Microsoft Office applications, is one of the most important tools used in the business world today. And being proficient in Excel is a highly valued skill. So let's dive in. Imagine you're working with a large Excel worksheet and you need to clean up your data. For example, you may need to remove the content and comments from a specific row. Doing this manually, you would need to highlight the entire dataset within the current row, which becomes very tedious and time-consuming if you need to do it for many rows. With the VBA macro, you need to select just a single cell in order to delete the entire data in a row. In such cases, VBA come to the rescue. With VBA, you can automate this task with just a few lines of code. Today, I'm going to show you how to write a simple VBA macro to clear contents and comments for a specific row in Excel. Here is the VBA code that we are going to use. This code is a VBA macro named clear data. Let me explain what each part of the code does. First, we declare a variable WS as a worksheet and set it to the active sheet. Then we declare a variable active row as an integer and set it to the row number of the active sheet. Next, we use the range method to select the range from column B to column Z of the active row. You can set ranges as you prefer. Similarly, we call the clear comments method to clear the comments of this range. Now let me show you how to run this macro. First, open Excel and go to the Developers tab. If you don't have the Developer tab enabled, you can enable it by going to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and then check the Developer box. Next, click on Visual Basic to open the Visual Editor. In the VBA editor, right-click on VBA project, which has the name of your workbook, and select Insert Module. This will insert a new module. Now copy and paste the VBA code into the module. Close the VBA editor and go back to Excel. Now, the VBA macro can be run either using a keyboard shortcut or using a button. Let me show you how to use both. I will start with the keyboard shortcut option. Open Excel and go to the Developers tab. Click on Macros. Select the macro you want to assign a shortcut to and click Options. In the macro option dialog box, you can assign a shortcut key. For example, if you enter R in the box, the shortcut for the macro will be Ctrl+R. Now let me show you how to assign the macro to a button. Go to the Developers tab and click Insert. From the Form control, select Button. Draw the button on the worksheet. The Assign Macro dialog box will appear. Select the macro you want to assign to a button and click OK. You can then edit the text on the button. Now, whenever you press the keyboard shortcut or click the button, the macro will run. Also note that you will need to save your workbook as a macro-enabled workbook for this to work all the time. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.